Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in. This is your host Pran, CEO here at Gen Z. Welcome to our video about website design. Let's start talking about why is it important to have an SEO-friendly, beautiful website. Your website is the front door to your business, to your online brand. You wouldn't want an unappealing, like just a scary secretary at the front door, right? It would drive potential customers away. The same principle applies to your website. Your online presence and your brand are all conveyed through your website. Having an unprofessional website, the ugliest, the worst thing you could do for your company. Your website is one of the most important assets that your business has. Nothing grinds my gears more when I hear business owners say that, oh, I updated my website 5 years ago, or no one's going to find my website. It doesn't matter, all right? People don't find your website because you don't have SEO done. Well, that's a completely different beast. I'm not going to talk about that here. Just very passionate about marketing. Let's get back to the video. All right, so let's talk about our website process here at Gen Z and what you can expect when you work with us. Well, firstly, we have developers that can work with any CMS, but by far our favorite and most popular here at Gen Z is WordPress. We can also do custom websites created from scratch, coded from scratch, but our onboarding process for both custom and template websites are exactly the same. We request that you send 3 websites that you like the usability, functionality, and look for, and we either point you towards a plan or a custom plan. We create a custom plan for you. So we've agreed on a contract, and you put down a minimum down payment. We'll start by the design process, in which we'll finalize the theme and design concept of the website. Then we start by working as soon as you could send us the content for the website. For example, the About Us page, the service page, pictures, videos. I think you get the idea. Finally, depending on the package, we go through a revision stage in which we add some finishing touches, and after the rest of the contract's paid out, we transfer the website over to you, and you can start bragging about it. This is the tip of the iceberg. Make sure you check out other resources on our website about website design and SEO and digital marketing. There's a lot of fun stuff here, and cheers. Have a great day.